Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create film strip rolling effect in PowerPoint. The PowerPoint going to be like this. On click, it will show the memories of a baby starting from day 1 onwards, and it will show every month's picture till first year of the memories. We can add our own pictures in this template, and we can create a video and share to our friends and relative on the birthday. Let's learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Let's open a blank presentation. Go to Insert, Shapes, and we'll take a rectangle and we'll draw till end of the slide. And we'll do one thing. We have to make 4 portions of this picture. So for that we need to calculate how to give the 4 equal portions. So for that we'll use the calculator. Here you can see 19.05 is the height of the template. 19.05 divided by, we're going to give 4 shapes, equal to, it's coming 4.76. Let's give 4.7 shapes height for the squares. Let's insert a square. We'll put the size 4.7 centimeter. This is the size we're going to use for film strips. Before that, we'll change the color to gray color and remove outline, no outline, and we'll put this on top of it. We'll reduce the size and we'll Control D for duplicate. We'll make 4 copies. Now this will fit into, we'll select all 4 shapes, go to align center, and distribute vertically. So this will give the equal space for the shapes. Then we have to make a film holes effect. For that, let's keep this outside. We'll go to Insert, Shapes. We'll use this rounded corner rectangle and we'll put it like this, and we'll give a shape white color, and we'll go to Shape Effects, Shadow. We'll use this shadow inside top, and we'll put a Control D, and we'll put below this, and we'll put again Control D, so it will give evenly spaced, it will copy. So this will give a film like effect, film roll like effect. Control G will make it grouping, and Control D copy and paste it on the other side. So now we created the film roll effect. Let's slightly will adjust. Similarly, we'll adjust this and we'll put this back. Before that, we'll change the color this to light gray, and we'll put it on center of this thing. We'll reduce the size little bit. We reduced it, and we'll give a no outline. So now, sorry, there is some gap is we have to give. We'll give align, center, and distribute vertically. So now we have created the equal space, but here slightly we have to do adjustments. We'll do one thing. We'll go here. We'll slightly put it over here. Similarly, we'll adjust the holes slightly like this, and if required, we'll reduce this width slightly. Go to format shape. Width we can give 9.1, or we can give 9 centimeter. So this will give. Now we have created the effect. Now we'll add the pictures for each boxes. We'll put format shape. We'll go to fill, picture or text fill. We'll put on insert from file. If you have pictures from your PC, you can use this, or else you can go to stock images. It is available in Office 365. I'll choose some 3-4 pictures from there. Insert. Again, we'll select here picture, insert, stock images. We'll take some other picture, insert. Again, select this one, picture, insert, stock images, and we'll take one more picture, this one, and the last one, we'll take one more picture. We can create our own picture. We can insert in this. I just selecting. There is some gap. If required, we can reduce the size. We'll go to format. Height we can give 4.6 centimeter for all. So now we have got. So now we'll give. Let's see. Now we have the equal spaces. Now we'll give a scrolling effect for this. Before that, we'll change the background, format background. We'll give a color, gradient color. We can give some gray color, and we have to go to, we have to give the transition for this scrolling up effect. For that transition, we will give the push effect. So this will push up. Now we created this. We have to make a duplicate of this. So go to right click, make a duplicate of 2 copies, and on this again we wanted to change the pictures. So I'll to time constraint, I'm just showing one picture to change. And similarly, we'll third slide, we'll change some pictures. So we completed the animation, and let's see how it comes. On click, it will come push transition like this. Second click, it will show the next set of pictures. On third click, it will show the third set of pictures. This is the way we have to create the film strip effect in PowerPoint. We can, if you need to add the text for each picture, just click on insert, put it here. You can put type the picture caption. You can put it here in the center. We can give animation, wipe animation from right. So like this we can give a caption for each picture. It will be like this. On scrolling it will be coming, then it will display about the first picture, second, third and fourth. So we came to end of the slide. This slide I created on vertical. This which other I shown is on the horizontal effect. So both are similar. So I wanted to show both effect. So as per your requirement, you can create the PowerPoint effect. I have attached the template of this video. People who wanted to download from my Google Drive. Thank you friends. Keep watching my videos. Subscribe, like and share if you like the video, and to get a notification click on the bell icon. Let's see in the next video. Bye.